Hello friends, welcome back to the last session of the miscellaneous exercise 5a for the topic vectors. So in the previous videos we have seen here about 25 questions from the same miscellaneous exercise 5a. Okay, so if you have not seen those videos, please go through and check out because we have discussed each and every question in detail. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start the question number 26 to 29. So the question number 26 says, using the properties of scalar triple product, using the properties of scalar triple product, or it is also known as a box product, scalar triple product, prove that box of a bar plus b bar, b bar plus c bar, and c bar plus a bar, it is equals to 2 into box of a bar, b bar and c bar. We have to prove this. Okay, so let's start the solution here. How to do? See, we know that the scalar triple product is what? If we have a bar dot b bar cross c bar, this is the definition of the triple product. So I can write easily as a bar, b bar and c bar. Means what? If we have three vectors inside the box, then the first one is what? It is the outside the this box, and you can take it with the dot product. So it is a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Same way, see here, this is the first one which is outside. Okay, so what is given here is, it is a bar plus b bar, it is the first vector, then b bar plus c bar is second vector, and c bar plus a bar is the third vector. So using the definition of the scalar triple product, how I can write this? Take first vector as it is, a bar plus b bar, dot the cross product of remaining two, that is b bar plus c bar cross c bar plus a bar. I hope it is okay. Now what to do? Let's simplify this. First solve the bracket, bottommost rule is applicable. So it is a bar plus b bar dot, now multiply the second bracket with b bar, so b bar cross c bar, b bar cross c bar plus b bar cross a bar, do not change the order, plus c bar cross c bar, next c bar से multiply कर रहा हूँ, plus c bar cross a bar. Okay, now what can be cancelled out? The same part is what? It is c is twice in this, so this c can be equals to 0, c cross c is 0 of course. Next is what we have in total is a bar plus b bar dot, so it is b bar cross c bar plus b bar cross a bar and plus c bar cross a bar, this part is remaining. Now let's dot product with the a and this whole bracket, so a bar dot b bar cross c bar, this one, plus as it is, then a bar into b bar cross a bar, so a bar dot b bar cross a bar plus a bar dot c bar cross a bar. Now let's multiply with the b bar, so b bar dot b bar cross c bar plus b bar dot b bar cross a bar plus b bar dot c bar cross a bar. Okay, so this is what we have. So let's convert into box product now. This is a box product of a bar, b bar, c bar. Perfect. This is the box product of a bar, b bar and a bar plus a bar, c bar, a bar. So this corresponds to this term. Next we have b, b, c, b bar, b bar and c bar. Next is b bar, b bar and a bar, and the last one is b, c, a. I hope you are getting this. Now what can be cancelled out using the scalar triple product properties? What it says, if any two rows or any two columns are same, then it is equals to 0. So here a and a are same, so it is equals to 0, bb same equal to 0, bb same equals to 0. So what is remaining then? First term and the last term are remaining. Okay, now let's take them on the one side. So you will be having a bar, b bar, c bar plus b bar, c bar, a bar. And what the next property of this triple product says is that any cyclic change will not affect the box product. So we'll keep this a bar, b bar, c bar as it is. And to get a bar, b bar, c bar, what to do here? A यहाँ पे आ गया, B यहाँ पे आ गया and C यहाँ पे आ गया. This is what we have the cyclic change. So if we do, still the box product will going to be same. So we have twice of a bar, b bar and c bar. I hope you are getting this. Is it? Yes, perfect. Very good. Now let's see the next one. Question number 27. So it is like this. Okay, let's have the statement. 27. If a bar is equals to 2, 3 minus 1, that is 2, 3 minus 1, b bar is equals to 4i 2j 3k, 4i 2j 3k, and c bar is equals to 2i minus 5j, 2i minus 5j plus 9k. Find a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Find a bar dot b bar cross c bar, full stop. Interpret the result. Interpret the result. So whatever you get the result, that is this result, find, we have to interpret that. Okay, it's very simple, and in the whole exercise we are doing the same thing, that is we are finding the scalar triple product. So this is nothing but a bar dot b bar cross c bar is nothing but it is the box product of a, b and c bars, which is equals to vectors. Write down the coefficients of abc. 2, 3 minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 2 minus 5 and 9. Solve for the determinant. So 2 into 9 दूनी 18 plus 5 3 15 minus 3 into 9 चौक 36 minus 6 minus 1 into minus 20 minus 4, which is equals to 2 into कितना गया है 8 5 13 23, so it is 33, minus 3 into we have 30 minus 1 into minus 24. This is 33 into 2 66 minus we have 90 minus minus plus 24. Okay, so 66 24 कितना आ गया बॉस, ये 90 आ गया माइनस 90, ये कितना आ गया 0. ओ सर देखो यहाँ पे बॉक्स प्रोडक्ट इज इक्वल्स टू 0 मीन्स व्हाट यू कैन से, व्हाट इज योर इंटरप्रिटेशन. Interpretation is that these three vectors are coplanar vectors. Is it okay? These three vectors are coplanar. We have seen that if any three vectors are coplanar vectors, then their box product is equals to 0. So what is our conclusion is? Conclusion is very important. It carries marks. So given vectors are, yes, coplanar vectors. Given vectors are coplanar vectors. Very good. Okay, let's see the next one. 28th question. It is like this. 28th. Okay, so what is the statement is using property of scalar triple product. Again the same thing. Yes, using the properties of scalar triple product, prove that bracket a bar plus b bar plus c bar cross b bar minus a bar dot c bar is equals to 2 a bar dot b bar cross c bar. Okay, Now what to do with this? This is a very simple question. See, the first property of this triple product says that the interchange of the cross and dot does not affect the scalar triple product. I hope you remember this. The very first property, the interchanging the cross and dot within the scalar triple product does not affect the box product, overall box product. So what is that theorem is like this: a bar, b bar, c bar, if you have, this is equals to a bar dot b bar cross c bar, you may have, this is equals to, you may say it's a bar dot, that is a bar cross b bar dot c bar, you may have this also. So interchanging of this cross and dot will not affect your answer. Okay, this is what we have. This is a standard one, and this is with the help of property. Okay, and this is nothing but the given statement. See here, assume this is one vector cross another vector into dot my third vector. Okay, so now let's have the same thing there. We can rewrite the given statement is what it is: a bar plus b bar plus c bar cross b bar minus a bar dot c bar. Okay, very good. So this is equals to, you can say that, or see, using this property is not only the solution, we can directly open this bracket here only, this box product. So let's open that. A cross b, you will get first one, so you will multiplying with this a, b and c respectively. So first you will get a cross b plus नहीं minus आएगा, so it is minus a cross a, then multiply with b, so we will have plus b cross b, then we will have minus b cross a. Okay, perfect. Then with c cross b, then minus of c cross a. Okay, इस सब का डॉट प्रोडक्ट आएगा c के साथ. What can be cancelled out here? See here, a cross a 0, b cross b 0. Okay, both are next, all the terms are distinct. So here you have a cross b. See, minus b cross a can be written as a cross b again because of commutative law. C cross b as it is, then write down c cross a, नेगेटिव है तो उसको पॉजिटिव बना दो, ये हो गया a cross c dot c bar. Okay, now multiply or give the dot product to all of them. So it is a bar cross b bar dot c bar. This is okay, so it's plus plus plus, I forgot to write there, no problem. So it's a bar cross b bar dot c bar plus c bar cross b bar dot c bar plus a bar cross c bar dot c bar. Okay, what is this? This is nothing but the dot product, and you know that the dot product is commutative, so I can rearrange this. So this becomes what? C bar dot a bar cross b bar plus c bar dot a bar cross b bar plus c bar dot c bar cross b bar plus c bar dot a bar cross c bar. So as the dot product is commutative, I can write easily. Okay, now what is this? This is nothing but the box product of CAB plus box product of again CAB plus box product of CCB plus box product of CAC. What can be cancelled out? The same vectors inside the scalar triple product is equals to 0. दोनों c same है 0, दो c same है 0. What is remaining? Remaining is nothing but CAB is remaining. So this is CAB remaining plus CAB remaining, which is nothing but 2 into CAB. But what you want on the RHS side, which is A dot B cross C. Okay, so I want ABC, so this can also be written as what? It is 2 into ABC, the definition of scalar triple product. Okay, see here, can we have a cyclic change here? Yes, definitely. So this will go here, A इधर आ गया, B इधर आ गया एंड C इधर चला गया. देखो इधर A B C, so it is 2 into A B C. So cyclic change will not affect the original box product, so we can easily write down, and which is nothing but the RHS. Hence proved. Now let's see the 29th question. 29th. Okay, let me change the color. Okay. Oh, so previously solved question was 29. So please make note that previously solved question. So this was the question number 29. Okay, this was 29th question, and now we have the 28th question. We will solve the 28th question. 28th. Okay, so let's see. Using हो गया. Find lambda if the vectors a bar equals to I plus j plus k, b bar is equals to I minus j plus k, c bar is equals to 2i 3j, 2i plus 3j plus lambda k are coplanar. And just now we have seen what is coplanarity. Means what? The scalar triple product is equals to 0. Okay, so let's have the scalar triple product or box product of both all these three, a bar, b bar, c bar, which is equals to 0. It is given by I j k 1 minus 1 1 2 3 lambda. Solve for determinant. So it is 1 into minus lambda minus 3 minus 1 into lambda minus 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 2, which is equals to minus 3 minus lambda plus 2 plus 5, which is equals to minus 2 lambda, ये minus 1 हो गया, plus 4 plus 5 is plus 4 आ गया. So this is equals to 0 बोला है. So 2 lambda equals to आ गया 4. So lambda equals to 2. This is what our answer is. Is it okay? So this is very very simple. Short answer question, short type of answers में आ सकता है. Okay. So I hope this exercise is okay for all of you. I request again and again same thing to you, all of you, that please do give the sincere effect to these all exercises. Watch these videos from first to last. All the videos will give you some different concept. Do more practice. That will be only way for your success. Okay, so with this we will stop here, and from the next video, from the next class, we will be solving the miscellaneous exercise 7b, which will be again application to your geometry. Okay, so till then, take care. Bye bye.